Listen to this. They denied the goodness of God. Denying the goodness of the Lord. Tanawan ng phrase nila, for there is no bread, neither is there any water. Walay tinapay, walay pagkaon, walay tubig, diri Moses. No, they deny the goodness of God. Giula na pagkaon, mana, tagaag tubig. Gi-provide sa Ginoo ang ilang clouds para dili mainitan. Gitagaano ka ng kalayo sa gabi para mahayagan. God is so good in His people, but they denied still the people. They denied still the Lord. Ingana man ng tawag yun. Gitagaan na, mingon pa, wa man. Naka na, wala. Wala pa. Ikaduha. Are you with me? Gisupplyan na, pero nag-deny pa. Do you get my point? Kanabi taong panalanginan ka na sa Ginoo, isupply na mo kinahanglan, gitarong ka na, but you need more. Amen? Pero inwardly, you know that God already supplied you and gave you the things that you need. Kanabi taong di lang mahatag imong gusto, mo reklamo ka na.